just
It's like a 40-second fuse, isn't it?
Yeah, it should be a good 30-40
You're not
seconds.
gonna eat that corn, I hope.
Is he lighting already?
Maybe popcorn soon.
Does everybody have ears and eyes?
Ears and eyes.
The range is hot and stupid.
Fire in the hole!
Too long fuse, but it looks cooler for fun.
I want to ride!
Yeah, let me get it. Whoa! Here's James.
That's cool.
Where'd it hit?
That was good. I like that.
Where'd it hit?
I don't know. I don't know where your mug went.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
The Thunder Mug's brown now. It used to be gold.
It's still in one piece. We're okay.
Wait a minute.
It used to be gold, now it's brown.
Look at the hole in it. There are bits of corn all over it.
Where did it go?
I don't know, but all I can smell is burning corn.
I know.
Try and open the door.
Where did it go?
All right, we need to put